Hello everyone, this video is based on touchless home automation system with voice and gesture control project. It is a project with latest IEEE paper. This is the base paper for the project, touchless home automation 2020 latest paper. You can see this is the flow chart for the project. They will be using two Arduino, as you can see two Arduino Nano, which will be transmitted with NRF module. You can see here. This is the block diagram. This is the master switch which sends the command. This is the client switch which receives the command. In that, if you send any command to the client switch, it will turn off. So this is the paper. This is the block diagram for the model. As you can see, ESP8266 is a microcontroller which will be connected to all the peripherals. If you give command to the Google Assistant, the light and fan will be turned on, and we can turn on the light and fan with manually with the help of proximity sensor. If you show your hand once, it will light and fan will be turned on, and again if you show, it will be turned off. It is in a manual mode. In auto mode, both the sensor will be monitoring. If the temperature rises above the 28 degrees Celsius, the fan will turn on. If the light intensity does not catch us to the sensor, the bulb will turn on automatically. In LCD display, it will be monitoring. Even the temperature will be shown in that, and even the manual mode and auto mode. This is the model of touchless home automation. Temperature sensor, 6 volts DC motor, gesture sensor, ESP8266 microcontroller with Wi-Fi integrated, LCD display, relay, and 230 volts bulb. So I'll turn on the supply. So Wi-Fi it is connecting. So Wi-Fi connected and initialized. So if I show my hand to the sensor, it should turn on. So see now. So light and the fan on. So off, on, off. Okay, now we can control this with Google Assistant also. You can see this is the Google app, Google Home application. This is the one. Turn on light.
Okay, turning the light on.
Turn on light. You can see.
Got it. Turning on the light.
Turn off fan.
Okay, turning the light off.
Turn off fan. You can see fan will be turned off.
Okay, turning fan off.
Turn on light and fan. So you can see light and fan is turned on.
Turning 3 switches on.
So we can control with this also. Fan off, light off. So now this is manual mode. Now come the auto mode. So if you see M in this, it is manual mode. I changed to auto mode. Now you can see if the temperature rises beyond 28 degrees Celsius, the fan will turn on. For the light, if the shadow or light is less, automatically the bulb will turn on. So see now. So I am showing the shadow to that, so that it is turned on. If I open it, it will turn on. For the temperature, I will make that to 28 degrees Celsius. I'm keeping my hand, so you can see that it is changing to 7.8. So you see it is turned on automatically, and to turn off it should decrease from below 28 means it will turn off. So light. Okay, no? So this is the project.